Jai Sri Swaminarayan. So right now I am in Swaminarayan temple in Ayodhya, which is the second home and residence of the Swaminarayan Ghanshyam Pandey, who adopted the travel name as Nilkant Barni. So this is the view of this Swaminarayan temple. Let's see, really it's a very unique and amazing place also, and because of the Swaminarayan, which is called as a Ghanshyam Pandey Nilkant Barni, also is the most popular inspiration person for me. So let's see the view of Swaminarayan temple, that is a residence of the Swaminarayan temple. So really it's a very unique and amazing temple. So let's see the view and explore together with me. So even it is running from the Web series Swaminarayan from the Gujarat organization, which is one of the most popular temple also built in Abu Dhabi, UAE, from the Web series Swaminarayan organization. So which is belong from the Gujarat. Even Akshardham temple is also belong from the Web series Swaminarayan temple. So one of the most popular temple in Delhi and also in Ahmedabad. And even lots of Swaminarayan temple is also located in UAE, USA, UK, London, France, Paris and many more countries. So including Australia. So बोलो श्री स्वामीनारायण की जय. जय श्री स्वामीनारायण. And let's explore together. Thank you so much.
So Sri Swaminarayan temple, which is one of the most famous temple of Ayodhya, located just close to the Ayodhya Dham junction at Patrapur Road. So this was originally home of Swaminarayan, who shifted to Ayodhya from Chapia. Nowadays Chapia Dham is located in the Gonda district, 60 km away from the area, which is the birthplace of the Swaminarayan, who born as a Ghanshyam Pandey. And on the Ramnavami, on the birth anniversary of the Ram coincide also. So this temple has beautifully carved idols of Radha Krishna and the Hare Krishna Maharaj along with Swaminarayan. So it's a very unique temple also. So he left his home at the age of 11 name and adopted the name as a Nilkant Barni travel name, and traveled the places like the Kedarnath, Badrinath, Mansarovar, Kailash, Guptkashi, Muktinath in Nepal, and in Nepal he also met with the Ran Bahadur Shah and cured him from the stomach pain. And after that, as a result, the king freed all the skeptic he has imprisoned into the jail. So after he visited the Jagannath temple in Puri, Rameswaram, Nasik, Dwarka and Pandharpur, which is all of the sacred and holy place for Hinduism. So and then he reached to the Gujarat, and rest of the time he spent in Gujarat itself only. So in Gujarat he met with the Muktanand Swami in lodge in Junagadh district in a small village, and Muktanand Swami was a senior disciple of the Ramanand Swami. So in 1800 he was initiated into the Uddhama Sampradaya by his Guru Swami Narayan by Swami Ramanand, and then he also was named as a Sahajanand Swami by his Guru Ramanand Swami, and then he developed the Swaminarayan Sampradaya also in Gujarat. So that's in the Swaminarayan temples. Sri Babs are so popular in all over the Gujarat, including the Barodara, Ahmedabad and all over the district, including the world also. So even the Babs stand for the Bhuchavan Vasi Sri Akshardham Purushottam Swami Narayan Sanstha is a social spiritual Hindu sanstha revealed by the Swaminarayan in Gujarat. And we know very well that recently Sri Babs Swaminarayan temple also built in Abu Dhabi, which is located in UAE country. So that is also dedicated to Swaminarayan only in Ghanshyam Pandey Nilkant Barni. So it is one of the so popular temple, Hindu temple nowadays in Arabian continent in UAE, Abu Dhabi. So after that which was established in 1999 by Swami Ji Maharaj Sri Babs. So apart from that, the oldest of the first Swaminarayan temple built in Ahmedabad, which was the land granted by the British. in British time. So then after that the Akshardham temple in Delhi, which is also inspired by the Yogi Ji Maharaj and created by the Pramukh Swami Maharaj and constructed by Babs. So let's see, this is the idols of Swami Narayan and Sri Radhe and Krishna in this Sri Swaminarayan temple in Ayodhya. That was a home of the Swaminarayan who left his home at the age of 11 from Ayodhya only after shifting from Gonda. Sri Swaminarayan temple from Gonda to here, that is called as a birthplace of the Swaminarayan in Chapiya Dham, located in Gonda district. So bolo Sri Swaminarayan ki jai. We can see the different photographs and idols and memory of the Sri Ghanshyam Pandey Nilkant Varni on the wall. So I am also feeling so glad here inside this temple because the vibes of this temple is also so good, and it's from outside it's looking also so good. From the complex only, I am in the complex of Swaminarayan only, so even the complex of Swaminarayan also so good. And even in Bab Sri Swaminarayan temple, which is in Ayodhya, that is a home of Nilkant Varni, we can also stay at the room because they are also providing the room to a staying purpose here at the nominal price. So it is also very good to stay here, and mostly Gujaratis, devotees and pilgrims are coming and staying in the Swaminarayan lodge and temple because it is running from the Gujarat Trust Bab Sri Swaminarayan Sanstha only. So that's the reason. So apart from that, the rest of the life Swaminarayan spent in Gadhara, which is located in the Botar district of Gujarat, where he also left the earth and reached to the Akshardham. So bolo Swaminarayan ki jai once again.